Well, Nate, one place to go out and play would be up in the mountains where you can still see some snow while we're basking in this heat.
Yeah, beat some of those hottest temperatures too, Glenn. Beautiful shots coming in. This one from Ben Morgan up at Secret Lake. You can still see some of the highest peaks dealing with snow on the north-facing aspects of those mountain sides, with most areas, though, not seeing much, if any, snowfall remaining. In fact, I just saw Post Alta's reporting station, Alta Collins at least, now down to 0 snow. So what a tremendous snowfall year that we did have, though. Hey, beautiful day today. We had hot temperatures yet again, lots of blue skies. Scott Taylor capturing the sunset this evening over Great Salt Lake. Beautiful conditions, showing off some of the oranges and reds there. Temperatures, as I mentioned, were hot. We were a little bit above average today. In fact, normal high is about 93 where Provo was today. For Salt Lake, we were 97, though, 93 in Logan. Triple-digit temperatures, common, of course, this time of year in southern Utah. We had average high temperatures today in St. George, Lake Powell, 92 in Blanding, 99 in Moab, Green River 101 today, Rock Springs 86. So summer heat, it's going to be on repeat again on Tuesday. Not many changes as far as temperatures go for tomorrow. We are still looking at increased fire risk for portions of southern Utah, and we are tracking even hotter temperatures. In fact, we should tie records in southern Utah by this weekend, if not set new records, depending on just how toasty temperatures get. Talked about some of the increase in fire danger. Now, this particular map is the storm threat. This is the Storm Prediction Center's risk of thunderstorm development. This is tomorrow afternoon. Now, you might think the showers and thunderstorms, that doesn't increase fire danger, but the lightning sure does. So could have some increased fire conditions across southeastern Utah. Showers primarily south of I-70, east of I-15. And the best chance of that will be tomorrow afternoon. We'll start to see clouds increase early in the morning. As far as best chance of some of those isolated showers and storms, it'll be primarily in the afternoon with moisture clearing out in the evening, and we should see more of a westerly flow kind of take over, dry us out into Wednesday with no threat of storms by midweek. Wildfire threat, of course, tomorrow. I think with those thunderstorms that could be included in southeastern Utah, but the western part of the state has a greater potential for some of that. Upper level wind showing the ridge of high pressure that's going to be in place is going to start to shift off towards the west, eventually bring northwest flow into northern Utah. That should help drop our temperatures some in northern Utah, but southern Utah will be dealing with the heat. This is showing excessive heat warnings for areas south of Utah. I think areas like St. George could be included in that excessive heat warning by the weekend with how hot temperatures are going to get. So don't be surprised if we see that flare up. Temperatures of 105, 106 tomorrow, Wednesday, 108 on Thursday, up to 112 Saturday. That could tie the current record. 113 on Sunday. All-time hottest temperature ever recorded in St. George is 116. That was set back in 1910. 97 for the Wasatch Front, upper 90s expected tomorrow, and on Wednesday we drop into the mid-90s Thursday, Friday, and then we climb all the way back to the century mark Sunday and Monday, 101 next week. Be sure to download the Forewarn Weather app. Have the latest forecast at your fingertips. You can do that by visiting the App Store on your smart device.